Hey, this is Brett from Soul Rebels. Thank you for joining me today. We did a dumbbell workout for beginners, and not one exercise is the same, so it's not repetitive, and you won't get bored. All right. And also, if there's anybody out there looking for a program, it's a basic bodyweight program. The details are in the description. Contact me through email. It's $5 for the program, and we appreciate any support. All right. Hope you enjoy the workout. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with our warm up. All right, and our first warm up is going to be around the worlds. Go ahead and squat and get down. From here, we'll reach to one side, stand up straight. There we go. We're gonna do 5. Around the worlds. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. Other way. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. Okay, and from here, second part of our warm up, we're gonna get down on our knees. We're gonna get in a regressed push-up position, which will be from the knees, keeping your shoulders and hips and knees in a straight line. And we're gonna do shoulder taps. 1, 2. Okay, now we're all warmed up. We'll get into the workout routine. We're going to be using dumbbells, all right? So we're going to be using light dumbbells. I've got 15 pounds. And the first exercise we're going to do is a front lunge. Okay, we're going to alternate them. 12. We've got 20. Keep it going. And 20. All right, catch your breath. We're gonna roll right into the next exercise, and it is Romanian Dead Lifts. Feet shoulder width apart. Side bend in the knees, and right over your toes. 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. catch your breath, a little bit of a breather. We'll roll right into the next exercise. The next exercise is a reverse lunge, okay? Athletic stance position, take a step back, you got 20. And 20. All right, guys. Take a quick little breather. All right. We just finished lower body. It's pretty good. A lot of reps. And now we're going to move right into upper body. And it's going to be good. All right. So recuperate. Get back to feeling where you can pick it up again. All right. Okay, first exercise we have is for upper body, upright row variation, okay? So get your dumbbells in front of you, pin your shoulders back. We'll start with your left arm first. We got 5. 5 on the right. 5 alternating. 5 together. And 5. Okay. Catch your breath, recuperate. We'll go right into the next upper body, which is going to be a curl variation. Okay. So grab your weights. Start with your left, 5 on your left. 5 on the right. 5 alternating. 5 together. Whew. Okay. Give yourself a 3 count, 15 count, whatever count you need. And we'll go into our last upper body, which is going to be a row variation. Okay. Grab your weights. Slight bend in your knees, shoulder width apart. Your feet reach down right in front of you. Hinge at the hips. Now we got 5 on the left. 5 on the right. Got 5 alternating. Got 5 together. Whew. All right, good. Okay, we're down to our last 3 exercises. Okay, so catch your breath, get some water, pat yourself dry. All right, and we're gonna focus on core now, okay? Let's go ahead and lie down on our backs. All right, grab your dumbbell. Okay, and from here, grab your dumbbell, put it above you. Stick your feet up and reach for your toes. And breathe out. 10, and then 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whew. Yep, that was good. Okay. All right, from here, we're gonna get into a plank position from our knees. All right, so regress push-up position, regress plank position, making sure your shoulders and hips and knees are in a straight line. You got the dumbbell right underneath your left hand. You're gonna reach across and pull the weight across. 2, and you got 20. Fourteen, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Whew. Okay, now last exercise of core. Okay. Grab your dumbbell, lift it up in front of you. From here, we got rotations. 1, 2, and we got 20, 3, 4. 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. That was a beginner dumbbell full body routine. No one exercise is the same. I appreciate you stopping by and taking care of yourself. All right. See you guys later.